What's up, traders? It's Robert Falco from Real Life Trading here with Jeremy Alexander Newsom. This is your Wednesday stock review.
All right, traders, you know what time it is. It's your Wednesday stock review, and today is spelled with an I. Thankfully, yesterday and sometime right before I took my vacation to Yellowstone, I was trading like a gasoline-soaked rag with kerosene and flames all around, just burning everything, lighting money on fire. But today was good, mostly because the market had a nice little bullish move at one point and then end the day with a little bit of an upper shadow. But in general, I feel kind of decent about the bullish momentum here. And this is the end of a month, and this is the end of the quarter. So there's a lot happening here, and just in general, I love this retest. Very nice retest. I'm a fan, and I'll go ahead and tell you there's two situations of which we go lower. So situation number one, we got this really nice curve, good dip here. This should be all good to go, and this is worst case scenario, in my opinion. It could happen, it might happen, and there's a 34% chance that it will happen. Other than that, my models stipulate that we can get one of these dudes, and then we end up going higher. We can get one of, this one would be scary. I don't expect this to happen, but if we get one of these guys, I'll go all into cash again if we make just a new all-time high in October. Definitely doing the Newsom cash signal again, and expect a nice size dip at that point. So I do think the market can have a dip at some point later in November, and then that'll be an amazing buying opportunity. Of course, time will tell. That's just my overall plan and assumption, but there are some interesting stocks out there to be keeping a very close eye on. Some of those stocks, PayPal, right? Cashless society is here. PayPal, everyone uses it. And if you guys want to ever PayPal me money, I'll give you my PayPal. But I mean, you got 5 white candles in a row. I am in a January 2022 leap bull call spread on PayPal. Looks good so far, playing out. My boy Lauren bought in a nice leap down here at 175, so good for him. PayPal, buy the dip, looking Donkey Kong strong. Speaking of Donkey Kong strong, DraftKings, it's out. DKNG, everyone's playing fantasy football, including your boy Newsom, who won last week only in one league, though. I'm 0-3 and 1-2. I suck at fantasy football. But anyway, trend is great. Everyone knows exactly how this company makes money. Being long, buy dips on DraftKings, looking toasty maghosty right now. I did have some stocks that were requested. Let's go look at PRTS. PRTS, carparts.com. Carparts.com. Welcome to carparts.com. Wow, this had a huge move. You know, I mean, I agree. This is at a really nice long-term old resistance, new support. So if you're looking at kind of tiptoeing in, I don't know anything about this company fundamentally, but this looks like a place to kind of tiptoe in. I wouldn't add in long, huge positions here. I mean, really, the time to do that was one of these breakout positions. But right now, it's just kind of consolidating. It needs to. It had, and again, this is just mathematically, 800% move from March to September. So yeah, let it consolidate just a little bit. Your boy Etsy coming up on holiday season. Don't tell me you're not going to Etsy.com and ordering some Bitcoin and real life trading merchandise, which does exist out there on Etsy. So Etsy looking pretty okay. Christmas is coming around the corner. This company does not compete with Amazon. I've been saying that ever since their IPO. Even though I looked like a moron for 2015, 2016, 2017 onwards, I'm looking pretty smart. Etsy, not a competition with Amazon. Two totally different products, two totally different stores. And there's a lot of people at home right now making both masks and any other kind of trinket you can think of to generate income for their household. So Etsy, I like it. Just want to buy a little bit more of a pullback ever since this massive bullish volume came in on the 18th. Look to buy it a little bit lower, around 105, but in general, nice trend, nice company. I am a fan. Plug it in. So this trade on Plug was set up back on this hammer of Thor back on September 4th. And once that hammer came in, it popped, get in on the pullback, and now we're popping again. Plug power, slowly chugging along. And one of the big targets on Plug is the 200 simple on a monthly chart. So if you're in it, that's something to keep an eye out on. Fuel cell, FCEL, got absolutely rampage Jackson by the bears today, 16% gap down. But if you're looking at getting in long, a close above this candle, the stop light right there, could work extremely well. So keep your eyes on fuel cell. Alibaba, this is one of the trades that we talked about in the real life trading retreat. and a few traders are in Alibaba long with call options. So that is working out well. Nice gap, nice trend, nice continuation, nice company, nice fundamentals. How can you not be making money off of Baba? I'm not sure. Speaking of making money, Apple, easy. Tesla, not as easy, but good general trend, nice trade. And I love the fact that the close day was 429.01. We closed above the highs of both of these candles. Folks, keep your eyes on Tesla over the next 2 or 3 days. We had a retest, we had a flag pattern. If we have any strength, this one's going to continue, ironically enough. I know that sounds crazy. I know, but I'm in it. I'm in positions on Tesla. Let's go higher. I'm all for it. Let's go. Tesla to the moon. All right, and last but not least, here is the cruise ships, Norwegian. And Norwegian did what it's been doing so many times in the last few months, having an amazing morning, and everyone's like, yeah, and then later in the day. It's done that numerous times, so I took advantage of that today by selling an October covered call. I do have some shares and some calls on Norwegian that I trade, and just looking at the overall position, to me, it was a good job selling that covered call. That expires this Friday, got 17 cents, which is almost 1%, by the way. And just chipping away are my dollar cost average on Norwegian. So if and when, good old if and when, we close and take out this 20 EMA on a weekly chart, we could see sub 20s on Norwegian at some point if the CDC ever allows boats to sail the waters again. That's going to be a big if, but maybe a win. Royal Caribbean, the strongest of the cruise lines, really holding up okay right now, just slowly grinding, battling that 200 simple moving average. All right, team, that's pretty much what I have for today. We did have one official day trade brought to you by myself, and this was AMD, and we did win on AMD. Robert Falco, who you saw I'm with all week, he played AMD with me. We got in bullish here at 81.41, stop loss at 80.41. Could have had my stop a little bit tighter now that I'm looking at it, but we got out up here for a win, and it was nice. It was a nice little W on AMD, so all is good in the world. Locking in some wins and going to close out the month profitable. Obviously, if you pop over here to the Real Life Trading Slack channel, we can see it. Look at your boy, Dan Jansen, up 43.2 Rs for the month. Dan, just a balloon of greatness. He's one of your moderators. If you want to be up 43 Rs for the month, and I do, maybe you should pop over to reallifetrading.com, click on mentoring, and work with all these traders who are profitable. Your boy Robert Falco, absolutely smoking it. Dan Jansen, 2 slots left. Come on. He's up 42 Rs. Give him some of your money. All right. Let him teach you. Let him show you out. Tony got sold out because he did amazing. Thomas is about to get sold out. Tracy's about to post her results at any moment. Stephen King is just slaying it like an animal. And then, of course, Johnny Guarco has been on fire. We have some incredible mentors. We have people who really care about helping you and wanting to enrich your life and enrich your portfolio, your bank account, your mindset, and of course, the time with your family. So my friends, thank you for being here. You are phenomenal. Love you all. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye. Bam. That was your Wednesday real life stock review. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you helping us with our mission, which is to enrich lives.